We're in Cochin and we're by the seaside and we're looking at these amazing Chinese fishing nets. I've never seen anything quite like it. They're really beautiful to look at and really quite simple in their design but quite ingenious.
Hi, I'm Deepthi. I'm a travel photographer and blogger. I'm traveling with...
You're an award-winning travel photographer actually, right? You don't say that. You're very humble.
Oh, yes. Okay, these are the very old tradition from the China, and they brought it long back during, when the transport started from China to India, and the tradition is still continues. So this is very amazing technique to watch here.
Yeah, and there's lots of them, eh? There's like, what, 30 or 40 of them here?
Much more than that.
Oh, really? We've been invited onto one of them. And I'm so excited to see it up close. It's really cool. So I'm walking on one of these nets now. It's really quite cool, a little bit unstable. But... And what's your name?
My name is Xavier.
Xavier?
Xavier.
Oh, that's a cool name. That's not a very Indian name though, is it?
Indian name.
Xavier.
Saint name.
Oh.
Saint Francis Xavier.
Okay.
His name, putting his name.
Very nice.
Yeah.
And how often do you put this net down?
Every 2 minutes, 3 minutes we are
Really?
pulling up and down, up and down.
250 times?
Yeah.
Wow. They're about to pull this one up and we're standing right in the middle of it. So cool. Here we go, here we go, here we go. Wow. That's awesome. So they pull it by hand like that. It's not very much though, eh? So they've just pulled up a whole lot, but it's actually not that many fish. So it's a lot of effort for really not a lot of fish, but so cool to see. Thank you guys. And who owns the net?
One of the owner.
Okay.
Owner giving 30%.
Okay.
70%, 6 people. Divided.
Right.
Divided, 6 people. 6 family.
Yeah.
We are 2-3 children and we are living very poor people, fishermen.
How many years you been doing this?
I am 40 years working.
You work here 40 years?
40 years working here.
And you?
67.
Okay, you? How?
30.
30 years. You 67.
67.
You look like you're 50. You look 50 years old. Ah, you're looking good then.
67.
You look good for your age. So they've invited me to pull the rope and I never miss an opportunity to participate. So here we go.
Start. Okay, very good.
Thank you.
Very good.
So can I get a job here? That was awesome. It's quite heavy actually, but that was lots of fun. One of the fishermen asked me where I'm from, and when I said I'm from South Africa, he started singing Waka Waka Africa. Wonderful. Waka Waka eh eh. It's time for Africa. Well done. That was such a cool experience. Highly recommended. If you come to Cochin, come and watch the Chinese fishing nets and certainly give it a try. It's really incredible.